Hi, my name is Leo, and I'm the founder of Dezctop.
So what do you show here?
We have a standing desk, new series, Revon series.
And it can go up and down?
Yeah, sure.
There's like an engine, motor?
We design new controller, so you don't have to use on only one place, like all standing desk, or like here, and we can do you can magnetic anywhere. So it's up to 130 centimeter and down to 65 centimeter.
Nice. So some people like to sit down sometimes stand up.
Yep.
And what is all this other stuff we see around?
And we also designed a trail, like here. Okay. You can see we use this track to hook
Nice.
our cable management and just tilt and you can lock.
Nice. What are all these?
These are dividers, so you can with cable management and you can hook it here and you can do anything here, everywhere you want.
Nice. So you got, and everything is magnetic.
Yeah.
You just put it nicely where you want,
Yeah.
like this, there.
Yeah.
Cool.
And also it's compatible with monitor arm.
What is this?
Monitor arm is compatible with monitor arm.
The arm?
Yeah. And we design all the accessory of DivMac. We call this like DivMac.
Bifrost.
DivMac.
Okay.
DivMac.
Division magnetic.
Yeah.
And everything fits.
Yeah.
And then, what is this chair?
The chair called Sano.
Can we have a look? What did your company make it? Your company designed this?
No, it's we rebranding and sell it. We marketing.
So it's like partnership with
Yeah.
the design. What is special about this chair?
I need help.
Yeah, this got many functions, go up and down and everything. Okay, and this is other colors for this. There's a black one, a blue one, and can you show what is happening here?
This is our first.
Yeah. So what is happening here?
Here is our first standing desk series by Bifrost. And for Bifrost series, we have the special designed pegboard to be attached. Oh,
Oh,
be
there's a
careful.
limit. Oh,
There's a shelf there.
sorry,
And
I didn't see the
so,
shelf. Yeah.
We've designed a pegboard that will be able to hold all of our accessories and also the things you wanted to store. And this is the gaming controller holder. And for two, you can also fit keyboards on it.
Nice. You can put your plants.
And
up
also
there.
on the shelf. And in the middle, it is the monitor mount. You'll be
What-
able to fit in like 27-inch to 47-inch monitor
Nice.
mount under 12 kg.
And here is more different
This is
show.
a wall-mounted D-board.
Do you also have support for Switch 2 games? I'm joking.
Currently not Switch 2, but we also have Switch.
And here's
Switch
just a different
holder.
color. Where can people buy this?
Dezctop.com.
Where it's possible to buy?
Dezctop.com.
All right, on your website. Shipping to the whole world?
No, not whole world. So far, it's only Taiwan, United States, and Australia, and Italy.
It's a good start.
And Kuwait and
Kuwait.
UAE.
How much this one?
This
Around.
one, not yet. Not yet. So
Not yet?
only
This one?
Taiwan. Only Taiwan.
Oh. All right.
So far, just only sell on Taiwan.
Is there big competition in standing desk market?
Yes.
Like, how big do you think your brand can be?
I think it's not a really hard technique. So you have to find something different from others. Like we design our accessory and
Like this
anything.
also?
Yeah. So try to be different.
There's all this stuff happening under. And you have contact with many people who work in the offices and who have requests. I want this, I want this, I want this.
Yeah.
and you want to integrate it.
Our accessory actually is inspired and feedback from customer.
All right, here's some more. Here's some more Switch 2 games, and all these, all around. Switch holder on the wall.